Now, how do you actually use that seventh? How do you use that knowledge? Well, let's say you know that G7 most of times will go to C. There are several different options how we can do different more advanced ways, but right now we're not talking about, we're talking about basic things. So G7 leads you to C. Okay? Now, for instance, we're playing Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you, dominant 7. Happy birthday to you. Here we go. Or, that was really low for my voice, I want to move it up. Well, let's say I don't want to be in C, I want to be a step higher, so I am in D major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My dominant 7 will be A7, and tonic will be D major. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Or I want to have higher, and let's say I will play it in G major scale, okay? I'm in G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D is my 5th step, so D7 will be my dominant, and I'm happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. You see, the voice actually sounds different and depends on how high you sing. And for singers, it's very important to be able to move your chords higher and lower and find the right combinations. Of course, there are other chords in the song, but dominant 7th is most of times and going to tonic, and this is one of the most important chords. For instance, some songs can be just done only in tonic and dominant only. For instance, he's got the whole world in his hands. 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 So the simplest song can use only tonic and dominant. I hope you like my video. Please, if you like it, click like and share with friends who are interested in music theory. Shoot me questions if you have something that you did not totally understand in today's lesson. I will be happy to answer. Thank you.